Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So in here, we will continue the calculator app tutorial part 3. So we'll focus on the block code. Last time we already make all the screen, yeah, calculator circle program and more. And now we will make the block code. Okay, before that, let's change or rename the card view. So as you can see in here, let's rename it card view calculator. Calculator. Yeah, that's for calculator. And then next, we'll go to view rectangle. And then next, square. Next to circle. And parallelogram. Row. Next, rhombus and wow, that's so many. And the last two is trapeze. And the last one is triangle. Yeah, for what we do this, so for make it easy in the block code letter. So this is a preview of the block code. So as you can see, there is card view calculator, letter click, and uh, click, and then he will go to the screen calculator like that. Okay, so let's go. We'll go to the first block code, that is screen one. When screen one back pressed, he will do. We go to control. He will do close application. Yeah, close application. And then next, we go to card view calculator and then click this one, I'm on drag, and then go to control again and take this one. Open another screen. Screen name is calculator. So if you're done for this one, yeah, you just copy and then just change this into circle and then change it into circle. And copy again, parallelogram and then copy again. Go to rectangle and then rectangle and then copy again. Go to rhombus and this one is rhombus. And then next, the next will be on square. So we don't use the screen one. Yeah, just use the other because screen one already used on here. Yeah, when screen one back present. Okay. Next, we'll go to trapeze and this one is trapeze. And the last one will be on triangles. Triangle. Okay. Okay, that's all for screen one block code. Yeah, still easy. Still simple. I mean, so next, we will go to the screen calculator screen block code. So if you know, this is the for me this is the hardest part because the block code is the hardest part because every screen must have block code. So that's why, and a block code is not simple. Maybe this is the most simple block code in this project. Okay, we will go to calculator, and yeah, next we will go to here. Okay, the first one we take what is it? Okay, it's lagging. Okay. Oh yeah, I will show you the preview of the block code. So this is the calculator block code. As you can see, there's so many, and yeah. So what? So crowded. So as you can see in here, there is so many block code like this. Call decoration, call decoration, and more. Yeah, that's crazy. Wait, I forget to name it. So first we have two of this text box. So this is underscore rename it to text box first, and for this one is text box second. Yeah, like that. Okay. Okay. Next. On this block code, yeah, the first thing we will take this one, the when calculator screen initialize do. Okay, next we will go to decoration that we add in last episode, last part, and then go to uh, text box first and take that one so that for background color will be white, and then next uh the next one is, oh, you just copy this one because the border color will be white too, and we'll go to logic and take true. And after that, we'll go to decoration again and set padding. Take this one called decoration set padding component values, and you can copy this one actually and put on the component. And for the value, you take on the maths. So make it 10. Okay. So after this, you just copy on this one and copy this one. So just change this to second. Second. Yeah, that's easy. So in this block code in this part, we'll play Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V. I mean, copy paste. Yeah, we will play copy paste. Next, we will take this one, just copy it, and for this one, yeah, you just delete it, and then we will go to plus button. So plus button. On this plus button, we'll take this one, boom, and yeah, and for the color will be orange. This one, orange and true. Okay, you just copy it again and go to the next button that is minus button. For the color will be pink, and then copy again. Go to wait, divide button. The color will be green, green, and then copy again. We'll go to multiple button. Will be purple maybe. Yeah, purple. Okay, next. Copy again to the last button will be delete button. So delete button will be red. So yeah, that's all for the color, all the color, and then go to label. What is label? Now set label one. Just take this one. Okay, set label one text, and then go to maths and take 0. Okay, guys. I forgot something. So in here, don't forget. So you need to rename this one. So this one you rename it underscore label result. And then next, change this to label result. Okay. That's all for the first block code in this screen. We will go to the next block codes. So as you can see, the next block code will be, yeah, you know what, it's complicated. But we will try to make this one. Yeah, we'll try to make this one. Okay. Let's go. So the first one is the plus button. Plus button. This plus button, and then when get click in here, yes, as you can get click, and then you just copy this one, and then delete that one, and go to math, and take this plus. After that, we will go to the text box So go to text box first, and then take this one text box first text dot text and copy it and change to text box second. And the last one is text box second. We go to text box second and take the what is it? Hide keyboard. Okay, that's all for plus button block code, and then we'll just copy it and change it to minus button, and then copy it and change it to divide button, and then copy it and change it to multiple button. Okay, as you can see, that what I say. We'll play copy paste in this project. So yeah, and this the button delete will be for the last one. So this kind of bit different. We'll delete this one, then delete this one. Okay, this kind of be different. Okay, next we will go to text box first, and then take the text one. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, this one. Text box first. Oh yeah. Okay. After that, copy this one. What just happened? Yeah. Okay, copy that one and put under the text box first, and this one text box second. So the next one will be what is it? The text. Okay, we go to the text and take that one and then copy it and put on the text box second. And for this one, will we go to math and take this one. Okay, that's all for the. Oh yeah, don't forget change it to delete button. Okay, that's all for the all block code in calculator screen. That's only one screen. Uh, this is already 12 minutes, so we have made two screen with block code. Yeah, this is the hardest part. So for make it simple, you just put on there is a back icon in here. So in back icon, you just put the block code over there. Boom. And then next, we will go to the next screen that is circle screen. So I will show you the preview. So this is the circle screen. Yeah. So basically, it's that's why I told you to put on the back, because for we just drag it out, boom, and then go to circle screen, and for this one text box. So I forget to tell you something. I mean, forget to rename it. The text box. It should be rename it text box radius. Okay, text box radius. Okay, so this one, what? Wow. Okay, thanks to text box radius, and after that we can delete all of this. As you can see, we can delete all of that because we don't need this in this screen. Okay. Okay, I forgot to rename something. We'll go to here and click this one and rename it text box uh, area, text box area, and for this one will be text box circumference. Circumference. Yeah. Now next, we'll go to here, and this is gonna be text box area, and copy that, and this one will gonna be text box circumference. Okay, that's all for this the first block code in circle screen. So we will go to the second block code. As you can see in here, the second block code is only button calculate. So for this one, we will make it. Yeah, this is a little bit complicated, as you can see in here. Uh, Level area circumference text, and then this multiple, and then multiple, and then this multiple text box radius, and text box radius height keyboard. Yeah, we'll try to make it. Okay. You guys go to button calculate, and then, oh yeah, I haven't rename it. Oh, already calculate button. So when calculate button, as you can see, this is click. After that, you just copy this one, label area dot text, and then uh, drag this one. And next, we will go to math, and in here in math, take this one and copy it and take that one. Okay. Next, this is 3.14, and for this one, it will be wait, it would be text box radius. Wait, yeah, it should be text box radius. Oh, sorry guys, my battery. Yeah. Okay. So it should be text box radius, and yeah, we will go to text box radius and tag this one. Text box radius text, and then copy again and put on the other side. Okay. Next, you just copy this one. What the heck? Okay, copy that one, and then change this to level order circumference, and then change this to 2 into 2, and then for this one you can delete, and you can copy this one and then put over there. Okay. Uh, the last one, it will be what is it? Height keyboard. Text box radius. You go to text box radius and tag the text box radius height keyboard. Okay, that's all for the circle screen block code. So we'll go to the next block code, that is parallelogram screen. In parallelogram screen. So I'll show you the preview in here, parallelogram. So as you can see in here, there is so many, and yeah. So basically this is similar with this one with the circle for the calculate button. As you can see, is similar, and yeah. And for the screen, the initial is it's similar with calculator screen, as you can see. Yeah. So that's why I told you to enter it to back like this. Oh yeah, don't forget this. Go to back. So we have a 2 in our back. Okay, now we'll go to parallelogram and make it drag the calculator screen, and then you just change it to parallelogram screen, and then I think I need to what's the name? Rename. So let's rename again. So for the first text box, it will be text box underscore base, and then next for the second one will be text box underscore height, and then the last one it will be text box underscore hypotenuse. Okay, next we will. Oh yeah, don't forget in here in label it should be label underscore area, and the other one will be label underscore circumference. Yeah. Okay, next for this one we just change like this one, go to base, and then this one base, and then for this one hey, and then this one hey, and I think we should delete this because we don't need. Okay, and we can copy again on here and text box hypotenuse, and copy again. It should be hypotenuse. And the last step will be this change to label area, and then copy again, and it will be I change this to circumference. Okay, so that's all for the screen, block code screen, parallelogram screen. As you can see in here, screen parallelogram, we already make the first block code, and now we will make the second block code. So it's like circle block code is circle screen, circle calculate button block code, and then yeah, we just drag it out from this back. So calculate button, yeah, in here, and then what we do, so in here we just change this thing, this radius. So let's go, we will edit it. Okay, let's go edit it. So the first one, this is 0 0.5, and for this one will be base, and for this one will be hypotenuse, and for this one change to hypotenuse, and next we'll make it out. So the first one will be on here, and we can drag it out, drag it, what the heck, okay, drag it out, and then put on there. Wait a minute, I mean put over inside of that, and you can copy this one and put over there, and then change this to height, and then change this to hypotenuse, and then the last one put over there, and 5. Okay, that's all for the uh calculate button. Oh, sorry guys, this should be 2. Okay. That's all for the calculate button, so we can delete this. And yeah, uh as you can see in here, we already make for the parallelogram, parallelogram screen. So yeah, it took us around 3 minutes or 5 minutes to make this. Okay, let's go. We will go to the next screen. It will be rectangle screen. So I'll show you the preview. For the rectangle screen, yeah, in this rectangle screen is, as you can see, the it's still similar. So screen rectangle, as you can see, the block code still similar, and the button calculate, as you can see, it's similar, but the different only this, there's a plus. So before there's a multiple and multiple, and yeah, in here we'll rename some text box, and oh yeah, for this one it should be label area. Yeah, of course, every screen we will name it as a label area and label circumference. So next, for this one, it should be text box underscore long. Okay, for the second one will be text box underscore white. Okay. Okay, next for the next step, we'll go to uh, block code, block code, yeah, and make it out from this one. We'll make it out and then change this to rectangle screen, change this to text box long, text box long, text box white, text box white. And then you can delete all of this, all of this, all of this, and all of this, and all of this. Okay, don't delete this one. We'll copy it and uh, label area and label circumference. So that's for the first block code. Yeah, for the first block code. Okay, we'll go to the next block codes. As you can see, we're done. Yeah, it's simple. And we'll go to the next block code. So we'll spread it out. I mean, drag out the calculate button and edit it. So in here, the different only the plus and yeah, only the plus and this one. Okay, let's go. We will make it. So for this one, you can delete and make it out, and delete this one and go to there and go to there. Okay, we'll change it to text box long and text box wide. Okay. For the next one, we will put over here. Yeah, as you can. Oh no, over there. Okay, go to here. Oh yeah, I forget to change it. So this should be plus. Okay, for this one it should be text box long, and this will be text box white, and change this to text box white. Call text box white hide keyboard. Okay, that's all for the second block code in rectangle screen. It took me 2 minutes, so easy. Okay, let's go because we play copy paste. Yeah, as you know what. Okay, we just delete this one, and next we will go to the rhombus screen. Yep, rhombus screen. Wait, for this one, oh, we already okay. So we have rhombus, square, trapeze, and triangle. So let's go to rhombus screen. So I will show you the preview. So for the rhombus screen, as you can see, it's still same actually. So as you can see, it's similar with what with the name. I mean with the block code that before we make. Okay. So we only change the rename. I mean rename the text box and the yeah only the text box. Okay. So let's rename it. Okay. Let's go. We will rename it. So on here, what is it? Yo 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 yo. Okay. So in here, we'll name it for this one will be text box underscore diagonal diagonal underscore one. Okay. Uh, next, in here, text box will be text box underscore diagonal underscore two, and for the last text box will be text box underscore site. Okay, and of course, don't forget the label for this one. We will rename it label underscore area, label underscore area, and next for this one, we will rename it as label underscore circumference. Okay, so label area and label circumference. So let's go. We'll go to the next block codes. So in here, we just spread it out the calculator screen and rhombus screen change to rhombus screen and then diagonal 1, diagonal 1, diagonal 2, diagonal 2, and delete all of this. We don't need that, all of that, all of that, all of that, and all of that. Okay, oh, we just copy this one into here and then will be diagonal side and then copy this one. It will be diagonal side too. And then for this one, we just copy. For the first one, we will area and the second one will circumference. Yeah, that's very easy and very fast. Only took us around 2 minutes, yeah, around that. So yo, it's already the 27 minutes, so it is the longest episode, the longest part. Okay, we will go to the next one. The next will be button calculate. So the button calculate is simple. That is, it use multiple and multiple. So let's go. It should be easy. So we'll drag it out from the button calculate, and then next, for this one we don't need that. Okay, next, put over there. Over here and change this to side and then change this to diagonal 1, change this to diagonal 2, and yeah. So next we'll change this to 0.5, and then for this one it will be text box side. So as you can see, this is already done. Oh yeah, don't forget this to 4. Okay, this is already done, all the code in block code rectangle, I mean rhombus. Okay, we just delete this one because we don't need that. Okay, next, maybe we can delete this all. So delete 44 blocks and this one. What? Wait a minute. What I do before? Oh, never mind. Oh, wait. Let's check. Okay, it's normal. Yeah, it's normal. Okay. Go to rhombus. Well done. And you can copy this one and remove from backpack and remove from backpack, and we will copy this one to the backpack. So we have a new one. Okay, it's done. Okay. For the next one will be yo man. Okay, for the next one will be square screen. So I'll show you the previews, the square screen in here. As you can see, yeah, this is the second simple block code, the most simple block codes. As you can see, it's very simple because it's easy to calculate. Okay, let's go. For the next one, we will drop it out in here, and change this square and then change this. Oh yeah. So in this, rename it to text box underscore site. And for this one will be like usual text box underscore area. And the second one will be, yeah, you know what? It will be text box underscore zero com for range. Okay. So for this one, text box site, and then we don't need, we don't need, we don't need, and we don't need. Okay. So that's all for the first block code in this one. So square screen, as you can see in here, square screen. So next, we will go to button calculate. So the button calculate is very easy. Just make it out of that, and then it's so simple. Go out, and put over there, and put over there. And this one is textbook site, textbook site. And the second one, yeah, we just delete this and copy this one. So, oh yeah, don't forget to delete this. Okay, that's all for the rectangle. It took us around 2 minutes. Yep, around that. Okay, so very easy. So we'll go to the next screen that is trapeze. So I will show you the trapeze screen. So for the trapeze, yeah, this is kinda hard. Yeah, kinda hard. As you can see over here, maybe this is the hardest block codes. Uh, but we will try to make it. So let's go. Yeah, we'll try to make it. Okay, let's go. We just rename it on here. We have a 4 block code. I mean text box. So we'll rename it. As you can see in here, there is a 4 text box. So for the first one will be text box site underscore a, and then for the second one will be text box underscore site underscore b, and for the next one will be text box underscore height, and the last one will be text box underscore hypotenuse. And do not forget to change the this one, the label. So rename it into label underscore area, and the second one will be label underscore uh, circumference. Okay, next I will go to the block code, and then we just make it out the rhombus one, and then change the trapezoid screen, and then change to side A, and then change to side A, and then change to side B, change to side B, and change to text box height, and copy that, and change to text box hypotenuse, and copy this, and change to sideboard hypotenuse. Okay, that's for the first block code in this trapeze screen. As you can see, we have done. And next we will go to the hardest part of this. Yeah, this is kind of hard, but we will try to make it. Okay, let's go. For the first one, we'll go to variable and initialize global, and we will name it pertambahan sisi. And then pertambahan sisi will take from text and put over there. Okay, that's for the second block code. Yeah, it's simple and easy, still easy, and this is the hardest one. So we'll try to make it. Okay. For the next one, we'll go to here and then take this one, and then go to variable and take this one, put over there, and global pertambahan sisi 2, and go to math and take the plus one. And next, we'll go to text box side A, and yeah, take this one, the text one, and put over there, and copy it and put on the next one, and name it box side B. And next, for this one, we will go, and Okay. Okay. Next, we will go to variables. Okay. And then take this one and not that one. Sorry, not that one. Okay, go to variable and then take this one and global pertambahan CC, and the next one will be 0.5 over there, and that one. Change this to height. Okay, as you can see in here, there is the same thing. So we already make, and we will go to the last one. That is, yeah, yeah. This is so long, and it's full of plus. So we don't need this one. Oh yeah, change this to hypotenuse. And next, we will need the plus one. So for make it simple and make it fast, we just drop from that, drag it out, and then put on like this, and then copy and like that. Okay, for the next one is sideboard text, and then put that one and change it to hypotenuse, and then next text box side B, and then copy this and put on the next one. Okay, that's all for the block code in calculate button. I mean, drop and screen. Yeah, this hard and crowded. I mean, cursed, not cursed. Okay, we'll go to the last screen, triangle screen. So I will show you the preview triangle screen over here. So yeah, this is one more easy, very easy. So yeah, we just rename it the base, the height, and the size. It means it has three text box. Okay, let's go. Rename it for the first one will be text box underscore base. Okay, for the second one will be text box underscore uh height. Yeah, height as you can see over there. And then next, the last one will be text box underscore site. Okay, and I told you again, don't forget to change this this one to text box underscore area label area, and the next one will be text box underscore circumference. Okay. Next we just break out this change of triangle, and then this base a side. Okay, that's all for the first block code. You'll finish it in 1 second. Okay. Uh, we'll go to the next block code. Yeah, this is another easy. Yeah, another easy. So the second is plus, and then the second is multiple. Okay. So we'll try to make it. Okay, next we'll go to here and break it out, drag it out, and pop out that, drag out, and take the plus one, and then next put over there, and then put over there, and then for this one is side. Okay, next we'll can delete this four. So for this one will be text box base and height. And for the second one, you can copy this into text box side, and you can copy again into text box base. Okay, that's all for the block code. As you can see over here, the last block code in this part in this project. So yeah, we already make all the block codes. So from the calculator, parallelogram, rhombus, screen one, square, and all the block codes. Yeah, it took me around 39 minutes. Yeah, 39 minutes. Yeah, this is the hardest part for me. So yeah, that's a calculation of tutorial. Thank you very much, guys, for watching from the first. And yeah, as you can see in here, I still upload the second tutorial. I mean, the calculator app, the second tutorial, second part. So yeah, that's all for the calculator app. So thank you very much for you guys that upload. Watch from the first part until right now until the last part. Okay, I appreciate you guys, and after you have done, yeah, you can immediately test, connect the component, and scan this barcode to your phone, and you can test the application. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you very much for you guys for watching this until the end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.